Mark your calendars and make sure to look up at the sky on Wednesday, August 12th, 2026, because that's a day unlike any other in your lifetime. That's because we have not one, not two, but three major astronomical events occurring on the exact same day, and you do not want to miss this. I'm meteorologist Andrew Markowitz, and here's the full breakdown of what to expect in your area. First things first, we are going to be in a new moon phase, which sets the tone for the entire day. For a few minutes on Wednesday, August 12th, the moon will be perfectly positioned between the sun and the earth. For some places, this means the light coming from the sun is totally blocked, and that means you descend into darkness. Solar eclipse begins in desolate eastern Greenland and will likely only be viewed by some polar bears. After that, totality will occur in this shaded region that includes western Iceland and most of Spain. It is only within this zone that you get the full eclipse experience. Everything else is much more subdued, even at 99%. A partial solar eclipse will be visible in most of North America as long as you don't live in a gray zone. The farther north and east you travel, the more of the sun that will be obscured. If we take a look at the Northeast, it ranges from only a couple percent in Virginia Beach, DC, and Pittsburgh to about 10% in New York City, between 15 and 20% in Boston, Portland, and Montreal, and about a quarter obscured in northern Maine and Quebec City. This increases to just over 50% at the edge of Newfoundland and Labrador in Canada. The best place to view it in the US will be in the northern tip of Alaska, which maxes out at 56% obscured. You probably won't notice anything with your naked eye, but if you look up at the sun with your eclipse glasses on safely, it'll resemble a cookie with a bite taken off of the left side. At the same time, debris from Comet Swift-Tuttle is hurling toward Earth at very fast speeds of up to 130,000 miles per hour. As the debris enters Earth's atmosphere, it burns up and it creates these vibrant streaks of light in the night sky. This is known as the Perseid meteor shower because the meteors will be visible in the direction of the constellation Perseus. The Perseid meteor shower actually lasts between July 17th and August 23rd, but it peaks in the early morning hours of August 13th because that's when its orbit is closest to Earth's. Unlike last year, 2026 will see ideal viewing conditions as we will be in a new moon phase. That means you will be able to see more meteors than usual, perhaps up to 100 per hour. And while that's going on, 6 planets will be perfectly aligned in an arc and possibly visible from Earth: Saturn, Neptune, Uranus, Mars, Jupiter, and Mercury. As far as timing goes, if you are in the zone of partiality for the solar eclipse, then the best time to view it will be between 1 and 2 p.m. Eastern. And the only way you're going to be able to see it would be with your special eclipse glasses. Now, with the other two events, the Perseid meteor shower and the planetary parade, everybody on Earth has the ability to see it. There are two things you need to avoid in this case: cloud cover and light pollution. So if you live in or near a big city, you're going to want to drive somewhere more remote to get the best chances of seeing it. You're going to want to look to your north and east, and the best time to view it is in the pre-dawn hours between midnight and 5 a.m. This means you're going to stay up late, get an early wake-up call, or maybe you're going to take off of school and work entirely. You also should be able to see it with your naked eyes, but for better view, I would suggest using binoculars or even a telescope. Let me know in the comments which event you are most excited for, and I hope you all enjoy the show.